1, 2, 3, and they come apart with just a wave of my other hand. Look, it instantly folds. If I hold it like this, boom. And on 3, it goes right through the bottom. I can actually heal the blister if I just take my fingers and rub like this. Check this out. I actually just magically produce. All we have to do is drape the scarf over the glass and it instantly changes. Watch, it goes again to the third here and then uncross. It's actually trapped inside.
Oh my god.
Press it on the thumbtacks, it doesn't pop.
Oh no. My god.
EvanEraTV.com.
What's good? Welcome back to How to Magic. Oh, magic! I am your host, Evan Era. Today I'm showing you 11 magic tricks that you can do right now.
Like right now? Yeah.
So if you're ready, hit that thumbs up button and let's go!
This is my magic silk scarf. You can see on both sides there's nothing inside it except for the scarf itself. I also have a wine glass here with nothing inside except for a standard deck of playing cards. You can see the ace of spades right there. Now watch, all we have to do is drape the scarf over the glass and it instantly changes into a different card. Now believe it or not, this is actually one of the easiest and most visual card tricks that you can do. It's so simple. All you have to do is twist the glass in your fingers like this when you cover it with the scarf. So very simple, you're gonna take a wine glass that will fit a deck of cards and you're just gonna make sure you have one card facing the opposite way here. So on this side, it's one card, and on this side, it's a different card. Then hold the glass right here at the base with your 2 fingers, and as you drape it over, you're going to twist the glass just like this and face it the other direction. You just want to practice this movement until you get it smooth, where it looks like you're just draping this over and it instantly changes. Okay, so all of you all can participate in this. So you're gonna take your fingers and put them on either side of your nose like this. Yep, there you go, you got it, perfect. And then uncross them like that. So one more time here, and then uncross.
No.
I'll show you the secret of how to do this at home right now. Okay, here is the secret to the nose trick. It's actually really easy to do, Megan. So most people, here's the mistake they make. They take their fingers and they put them like this with the nails on the opposite sides of the nose like this. So when you go to uncross them, you can't do it. The secret is start like this with your fingers here and then cross. So this is the position that you start in. And then all you have to do is uncross it.
I still don't understand.
So start like this. Yep. And then like cross your fingers like that. There you go.
Ah!
Yes.
I'm doing this.
And you can do it too. So empty hands, check this out. Watch. I can actually just magically produce a silk streamer just like this. That's cool.
Wow. Where did it come from?
Thin air. Here is the secret to the magic appearing silk scarf. It is actually a fake thumb. This is a fake plastic thumb tip. It's a classic magic prop that every magician should have. We have these available now at EvanEraTV.com, available in kids and adult sizes. That is our online magic shop. We also have these beautiful magic silk streamers that fit perfectly down inside the thumb tip. So you load this up before the trick starts. You're just gonna stuff it in there and you wanna leave just the tip sticking out so that when you stick your thumb in, it kind of slides down in there just like that. Now the key to the thumb tip is to keep it pointed towards your audience like this. If you keep it at this angle, it is almost completely undetectable. But if they see it like this, you're gonna expose it, so don't let them see it from this angle. Now all that's left to do is to slip the thumb tip off of your thumb secretly and pull out the silk scarf, much to the amazement of your audience. So head over to EvanEraTV.com right now. There's a link in the description of the video. You can get yourself a magic silk just like this this. You can use the thumb tip for so many different things. You can make the silk scarf vanish by reversing the process and just stuffing it down inside the thumb tip just like this. And then it disappears. The thumb tip can be used for so many different tricks. Head over to EvanEraTV.com today and check out all the new magic. All right, so I have a cool balloon trick to show you guys. It's a real balloon, right?
Yep.
I'm gonna take one thumbtack out of this little case here and put it on the counter. Now, if I take the balloon and put it on the thumbtack like this, what do you think will happen?
It's gonna pop.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Right?
What do you got?
Ready? 3, 2, 1. It pops.
It works. It
That's
works.
the trick. That's it. The balloon disappeared. So can you grab that one right there? Perfect. Okay. So now we're going to take all the tacks. So we've got a whole bunch of tacks here. We're going to put them all down here on the table just like this, okay?
Okay.
Oh no.
Now check this out.
No,
We
it's
take the
making so
balloon.
loud.
Watch. Look. This is crazy. You press it on the thumbtacks, it doesn't pop.
Oh
No.
my gosh.
You see that?
How
Look,
is
I'm
that
really
working?
pressing it down
No
too.
way.
I'm really putting pressure on it.
Real?
But the tacks
Yeah,
are
it's a
real.
one. Look,
That's crazy.
Oh my
that
gosh.
almost. See, I can press down on
I
it with
don't
both hands.
understand how that
Wow.
is happening.
It's magic.
Oh.
I'll show you guys how it's done right now. The explanation to this is actually kind of scientific. The reason that the tack actually pops the balloon in the first place is the single point of the tack breaks the surface tension of the latex here on the side, but when you spread it out to a bunch of little points like this, it almost becomes like a flat surface, so the tension is spread out across the many different points, which doesn't break the surface tension of the latex of the balloon, therefore it doesn't pop. Science is magic. Check this out. I have a cup of coffee here, my Morning Joe. Watch, I'm gonna take the coffee and just sit it on my hand like this. You can see it. Watch, I'm gonna cover it just like this and say some magic words. What's the best magic incantation you know? I think abracadabra is probably the best one that I know. So abracadabra, watch. Just like that, the coffee magically disappears.
All right, here's how it's done. I'm about to reveal a secret. The secret to this trick is extremely simple, and I will teach you how it's done right now.
Your first step is to take a cup and stuff the bottom with some paper towels or a sponge. You're then going to need a piece of cardboard or plastic film to go right on top of that and hide the paper towel underneath. You want this to kind of wedge in the cup. So once you've got this in place, we're going to pour coffee on top. You want just enough to cover it like that, so it now looks like a full cup of coffee. So now all we're gonna do to make the coffee disappear, we're gonna cover it with our hand like this, and what they don't see is your thumb coming in like this. You're gonna press on the side, and look what happens. All of that coffee will drain down into the bottom. So if you can see it all draining out, and it's all going to absorb into the paper towel underneath, right? Now that it's absorbed and you have it covered with your hand, you can then flip it upside down, and it looks like the liquid has just instantly vanished from the cup. You can then crumple it up and throw it away if you want. It's a super easy and amazing magic trick that you can do at home with stuff around the house. Okay, I have 2 rubber bands stretched between my hands right here and a $20 bill. Will you grab the bill right there, Clarissa? Now watch, 1, 2, 3, and it actually jumps to the next one just like that. Watch, it goes again to the third, and then look, one more time just like that, all the way through. Here is the secret of the bill through the bands trick. This is so insanely visual. It can happen in the spectator's hands. You need 2 rubber bands that are exactly the same color and size. The bill is going to start out on the bottom rubber band that's going to be stretched between your 2 ring fingers. The other rubber band is going to go between your 2 forefingers, just like this. You want to get into this position before you ever show the trick to the audience. So you have it like this. You're then going to take your thumbs and contact the top of these 3 bands and push them down just like this. You're then going to take your 2 forefingers and bring them underneath that bottom band and lift it to the top and let those other 3 bands fall right underneath it. And now it looks like that bottom band is the top band. Now all we're going to do to make it jump through is release our forefingers first, and that's going to do the first pop through. Now the second one, we're just going to release our 2 middle fingers, and look, see how that band is crossed? It's actually just going to flip. And now the last one, we're doing the same thing. We're just letting go with our 2 ring fingers, and it goes all the way through to the bottom band, just like that. The audience can even hold on to the bottom of the bill as this happens, and then you can instantly hand everything out for examination. So amazing and so easy to do. I have a magic loop of rope here. Check this out, Megan. It's a normal piece of rope. There's nothing tricky about it or anything like that.
Okay.
Verify for the audience,
Yeah.
there's nothing tricky? Okay.
It's real.
Do me a favor and extend your arm just like that. Perfect. Okay, so now look, if I take the loop of rope and I pull on your arm like that, there's no way this could go through
No way.
your arm, right? Solid piece of rope. But watch, if I hold it like this, boom,
Oh
right
my
through
gosh.
your arm just like that.
There's no way.
This is all about how you hold the rope. You're going to bring it down on the person's arm like this, and what happens at the bottom is you're actually going to catch this side of the loop with your fingers and let go with your thumb on the other side. So we're going to come down like this. You're going to let go with this thumb as you pinch the other side and extend that out. 2 rubber bands linked together. You can see the yellow and the blue rubber band are linked together. There's no way they're coming apart, right? But watch the yellow band. 1, 2, 3, and they come apart just like that. So here is the setup for the rubber band through rubber band magic trick. You're going to take 2 rubber bands of equal size, and you want one stretched between your forefinger and thumb and the other one looped around it just like this. You get into that position by just taking one rubber band and lacing it through the other one and then spreading it between your fingers just like this. You're going to let this rubber band drape over your thumb as you pull the middle just like this to slip it out. So you're here, you let that loop over the thumb, you're grabbing the middle and then pulling it out just like that. I have the cap to a bottle right here. You can see an empty glass bottle, right, Megan? Watch. 1, 2. When this happens, it's gonna be crazy, okay? You paying attention?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay, just
What
watch.
are you
It's
gonna
crazy,
do?
it's crazy. Watch. 1, 2. This is really gonna be crazy.
Are you
okay?
gonna do it?
I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. Watch.
You're making me nervous.
Sorry. You ready?
Yeah.
All right, here we go. 1, 2, and on 3 it goes right through the bottom, just like that.
Oh.
The craziest thing is, you would think it goes like through the top of the bottle somehow. Like I somehow got it through there, but look,
What?
it's actually trapped inside there.
Oh my gosh.
Here's what you're gonna need to set this up. You're going to need a glass Coke bottle, 2 bottle caps, identical bottle caps, and you're also going to need a magnetic ring. The last thing you'll need is a stick. Here's the setup. You're gonna do this before you ever show it to your audience. You're gonna take one of the caps and bend it, just like that, so that it can fit down inside the mouth of the bottle. So you're gonna push it down inside, just like that. You're gonna take the dowel rod and insert it through the mouth of the bottle, right down through the neck. You wanna position the bottle cap just like this on the base of the bottle, and then press right in the middle of the cap, and it's gonna flatten it back out. And now that it's flattened back out, the cap is now lodged inside the bottle. Just like a ship in a bottle, it is forever trapped inside. Let it slide up, and it's gonna stick in place right there on the ring. Now, because both the caps are metal and magnetic, when you toss the cap up, it will be caught by the ring. So you're gonna show off the empty bottle and the cap to your audience like this, being careful not to flash the one hidden here. Then as you bring your hand down, you're going to toss the cap in your hand up so that it hits the magnet ring and sticks. That's going to be concealed in your hand as well. So at full speed, you're catching this cap in your hand and letting this one go at the exact same time. And it really creates the illusion that that cap is just penetrated right through the bottle. Make sure you call attention to the fact that the cap is now trapped inside the bottle as you casually drop this hand to the side and ditch this one into your pocket. Now that all the audience's attention is right here on this bottle, you can hand it out for examination and let them keep it as a souvenir of your performance. Okay, I have some matches here. Just gonna light one.
Oh.
Now watch, if I hold it like this.
Oh. Oh.
Ow, ow, ow.
Oh.
I got a little blister on my thumb there.
Oh.
See?
Wow. Jeez, that's bad.
See it? Watch, I can actually heal the blister if I just take my fingers and rub like this.
Ooh.
I hope not. Look, you just rub with each finger. And that actually heals the wound.
No way! What?
See that?
Gone? Let me see. Oh, what? Wow.
Crazy, right? It's magic.
Here is the secret to the magic blister trick. This is a metal washer. You can also use a key that has a round hole. It is not actually a blister on your finger. You're going to put this in your pocket or do this before the performance, and you're simply going to press your finger onto the washer just like this. So as you press that, it leaves an imprint on your skin, and it creates a really convincing illusion of a blister on your finger. Now, all you have to do to make this disappear is simply apply pressure and rub. And now, as you can see, with just a little bit of rubbing, it starts to normalize and that blister just completely vanishes. So grab yourself a metal washer or a key and try out this magic trick at home. Check this out. We take the bill just like this, sit it on my hand. Now watch, with just a wave of my other hand, look. It instantly folds into a tiny little collared shirt. Isn't that crazy? Here are the steps to making this at home. It is a simple fold of a bill. So you're going to take any dollar bill, it doesn't matter what denomination, you're going to make these following folds. And now that you've made your final fold, your magic origami shirt is done, complete with a little collar and sleeve. You're gonna sit it on the palm of your hand just like this, and then you're going to take a bill that you have previously gaffed with a little bit of aluminum foil. You can see it right there on the back of the bill. We want that to sit right on top and be hidden so that when we fold it over, it looks like the bill is just sitting on our hand. Now the next step, you're going to stick a magnet on your palm just like this, and that is going to contact the metal on the bill and make it stick to your hand just like this. So again, once you have the magnet stuck in place here, all you have to do is wave your hand over the bill and it will stick to that magnet like that and be hidden under your hand, and then all their attention will be right here on the little collared shirt, and this makes an awesome souvenir you can give to people to take home. All right guys, that is it for this episode of How To Magic. If you liked it, hit the thumbs up button, let us know in the comment section down below, and be sure to share the video. If you're new to our channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button for more magic videos like this. Be sure to follow me on Instagram and Snapchat, and it is giveaway time. I am giving away all the magic props from this video. If you want to win any of these tricks, just leave a comment in the comment section down below and let me know which trick was your favorite. I'll be going through the comment section, picking random comments and mailing out some free magic to you. Once again, be sure to check out EvanEraTV.com. That is our online magic shop. Tons of really cool tricks that are super easy to do and will amaze everyone you know. The link for that is in the description at EvanEraTV.com. Until next time, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate your support on this channel. Remember that anything is possible as long as you stay positive, work hard, and laugh at life. Love you guys.